greensandmachines.com. My local grocer is quite unapologetic about selling squashy fruits, which is one of the main reasons I like shopping there. So when I saw these Hachia Persimmons on sale 7 for $1, I decided to jump at the opportunity before they're out of season again. These make for a great topping of oatmeal, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you want to rinse the persimmons and remove the leafy things on the top. Take care not to lose as much of the fruit down the sink as possible, because these things are practically half liquid at this point. Also, remove those pesky labels if they're on there. Don't want to eat that. Next, place the persimmons in a bowl and start hitting them with the nearest blunt-shaped object. Bonus points if you have a potato masher. We're not really going for perfect texture here, just trying to mash them up good enough so that you can't tell one fruit from another. Next, find your favorite Huntington Beach fire pit and start burning some wood. Okay, you could just do this on the stovetop, but that's not nearly as fun. Measure out twice the volume of water as the amount of oats you have, conveniently using the shower faucet. Next, transfer the water to your cooking pot. I like to use a Dutch oven because the heavier wall thickness provides more even heating and reduces the likeliness that your food will burn, especially over an open fire like this. Also, I like stuff that's made out of cast iron. Some people think it's weird to see me carrying around a Dutch oven on my bike, but Lewis and Clark carried one all the way across the country. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Once your timbers are well ablaze, beat them into submission to make room for the cooking pot stand. I made this particular stand out of old bed frame feet. For details on how I built this, check out the post at greensandmachines.com. I like to let the water boil before I add the oats. Even though this takes a bit longer, it does reduce the risk of it sticking to the bottom or burning. So now that the water's boiling, it's time to add the oats. And then pour in an undisclosed amount of flax seeds. Okay, maybe I just didn't bother to measure them. It's your cooking, you just gotta go off instinct. Once you got all that, give it a good stir, put the top back on and let it cook. You'll know when it's ready when there's little or no freestanding water at the bottom of the pot. At this point, it's time to remove it from the heat and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. And once you're ready, serve up a heaping helping. Then top it off with the persimmons. We stored ours in a thermos, so we got that nice hot and cold action. Stir it up and enjoy. And for a bit of extra flavor, you can crush a little bit of walnut on top. Delicious! Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe for more. Check out greensandmachines.com for lots of more projects. And if you're interested in checking out more of my bicycle adventures or my music, you can find those on my personal channel, Squashy Grapefruit. On behalf of Greens and Machines, I am Diecaster D, aka DJ Pete, signing off. We hope you enjoyed your flight. Please do not remove the seatbelt until the seatbelt sign is not illuminated.